Good day, everyone. This is Teacher Jonathan once again, and I would like to welcome you all in our virtual presentation about muscular system. But before we start with this, I would like to ask all of you, do you remember all the systems of the body? Can you remember all? Okay, don't worry, I'm going to help you. All right, so how can you be able to remember all of the body system? There's only one word and two letters, okay? Listen to me, okay? Just remember one word and two letters. And the word is reminders, CL, okay? Reminder, and then C, letter C, and letter L. Reminders, CL. Okay, it's an acronym actually. So R stands for reproductive, E stands for endocrine, M is muscular. Today we will study muscular. I is integumentary, the skin. N is nervous, the brain and the spinal cord. D is digestive. Another E. Remember, we have two E's, right? A is for endocrine and excretory. And then R is, we have two R's, reproductive and respiratory. Reminders. S is skeletal system. And then C and L is cardiovascular and lymphatic. So just remember one word, two letters. Reminders, CL. And that's the entire systems of the body. Okay, so I hope that is very helpful. And so when your teacher asks you, do you know all the systems of the body? Now you can answer it. Just one word, two letter. Okay, so reminders, CL. Okay, and M in that reminder CL is muscular system. Our aims today is to understand the structure and the function of the muscles. Okay, let's get started. So, what I need to know, there are types of muscles, there are major muscles, there are types, okay? And along this video, we're going to ask several questions. What happens when we exercise? How muscle works? What are the type of contraction? And maybe posture. Maybe I'm not going to cover this all. Maybe I'm probably going to cover until muscle types and then how or what happens when we exercise. So probably we're going to split this into two videos. Okay, so just comment down below, guys, if you want to know, especially the contraction mechanism, the power stroke. So comments down below. So if you would like to see that separate video, just comment it and I will read. Okay, so let's continue. So what do our muscles do? There are many functions. Of course, it enables us to move our body part. It's very important that we can move, right? It's because of the muscle with the help of bones and nervous system. Okay, it gives us a body shape. All right, so imagine yourself without a shape. Would you like to do? How do you like to see yourself? Like an amoeba. Okay, it protects and keep in place our abdominal organs, and there are a lot more. Like it maintains good posture, it circulates the blood, and generate body heat, just like the skin generates body heat or regulates body heat. Okay. There are 600 plus muscles, to be exact, 640 muscles. All right, so let's continue. There are three types, actually, three types of muscles. We are talking about the skeletal muscle. These are the muscles that are attached to the bones. Smooth muscles are the muscles in your um, intestines and stomach. Cardiac muscle is the muscle of the heart. So there are three types, and they're not the same. Okay. When I say they're not the same, it's gonna look like this. All right. So this is the heart muscle. It look like that. The muscle attached to your bone is look like this. Okay. And the smooth muscle are the muscles of your stomach, intestine, and other organs are like this. Okay. Cardiac, skeletal, smooth. Don't forget. Next, we call it voluntary muscle or skeletal. Why is that? It's because they are all controlled or initiated by the brain. When your brain says walk, you can walk. When the brain says run, you can run. Or do physical activities. It's because they are all voluntary muscle. Your brain commands it to do. That's a voluntary muscle, or it's the conscious control of the brain. Understand? These are all the major skeletal muscle. I'm not going to name them all. There are actually 600 plus, but these are some of the major. So deltoid, the shoulder muscle, bicep is your abdominals and the six packs. Okay, four muscles in there. Quadriceps, the muscles of your legs, and so on and so forth. Okay, and these are all some of the actions of the muscles. I'm not going to go through of that. All right. Another picture of the muscle. Smooth muscle. Let's talk about the smooth muscle, or sometimes they call it involuntary muscle. What's the difference between voluntary and involuntary? Involuntary muscles, they are the muscle. These muscles work automatically. They're all programmed. They are all not under our conscious control. For example, the muscles of the digestive system here. Okay, as soon as you swallow the food into your to your mouth, going to your esophagus, contraction is happening, or simply we call it peristalsis, and they are all automatic control. All right, the same as the contraction of the heart, the love, 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 love. The contraction of the heart is also automatic. They are already pre-programmed in your brain. Okay, you cannot say stop heart, stop beating, otherwise you will die. Okay, the same as blinking of the eye. Of course, sometimes we can control it, sometimes not, depending on the reflex. Okay, cardiac muscle. Okay, the third type is the cardiac muscle. Okay, they are also involuntary. Just like what I said, they are controlled by the brain. Okay, it is only found in the heart. So this kind of muscle is only or can be found only in the muscle of the heart or in the heart. Okay. How do our muscle works? So there are three types of muscular contractions. So let's take them one by one. First, isotonic and concentric. Isotonic and eccentric and isometric. So what are the differences? Isotonic or and concentric is that our muscles shorten as they contract. So they shorten. The ends of the muscle move closer together. For example, the bicep during the curl up. So like this. This is the bicep here. And some sporting movements are of this type. So this is isotonic and concentric. They contract. They shorten as they contract. Next is isotonic eccentric. Our muscle lengthen, so like the bicep, it lengthens as they are contract. Or the bicep when we lower down from a pull up. Okay, and then the isometric contraction, our muscles stay the same or same length as they contract. So there is no movement, so the ends of the muscles stay the same distance apart, just like in tug of war. Okay, that is isometric. Now, actually, how do muscle work together? They come in pairs. The muscle always work in pairs. Okay, so we need large number of pair of muscles to work together in different ways for even simple body movement. Okay, very important. Okay, take a look at this. You can be able to curl up your bicep with the triceps. So they always go together. The bicep, the triceps go together, work together. Okay. Muscles can work as a flexor, could be, or contracting bends our joints, or it could be extensor to strengthen the joints, maybe a prime movers, contracting to start the movement, or antagonist, or a relax to allow movement to take place. Could be a fixators or synergists. So these are all how the muscles work. Okay, and there are more of that. Maybe we can have it in a future video. But basically, it's very important that we keep or we exercise it so that our tendons as well are or will get stronger, because this is the attachment of the muscle to the bone. Okay, the muscle is attached to the bone by way of tendon. So I think I'm going to stop right here. Okay, so I hope you find this video helpful, and so that you will have your confidence when you study about muscular system in the future. Okay, just in case you need to watch this video again, so you can do that. Um, and find value in our video, in our reps videos. Okay, so once again, thank you so much and have a good day, everyone. Bye.